Right here, I have this amazing heated vest from InoKraft, and I absolutely love this. This is a size medium, and it fits me absolutely perfect. I love how this is just so comfortable and soft. I could wear this all day, and I especially love wearing vests like this in the wintertime, fall. I love wearing them with like a t-shirt. You can open it up, you can cool off, or this thing can keep you so warm with the heated element in here. I love how there is a very padded neck collar, and it just feels so comfortable. I'm gonna zip this up so you can just take a look at it. It zips all the way up and it fits great. I'm 5'11", 150 pounds, and I have the size medium here. Fits really good, and we're also gonna get little guard here on the top for the zipper, and these are gonna be YKK zippers, so they're gonna be very, very durable and just top of the line zippers. I like the yellow accent on here. I think it's a really nice contrast, and you're also gonna get that here on the side pockets as well. And these side pockets are very big. You can put your phone in here, and it's lined with a soft material, so if you put your hands in here, it's not gonna be cold. It's gonna feel absolutely amazing. I like the elastic on the outside here. It just hugs against your shoulders and just keeps it like airtight, so you're really gonna stay warm all day. We also have drawstrings on the bottom, so again, you can just keep this airtight and sealed. The highlight of this jacket is gonna be that it is heated and comes with these lithium ion batteries that are very powerful, and they are the swap-on series. So this does come with a nice charging cable, and it's gonna have a Type-C port. These batteries are also gonna double down for you to charge your wireless earbuds. You can charge your phone, you can charge your tablet. That's really nice. On the top, we are gonna have these little buttons that you can press, and it'll let you see the battery life in here. In the manual, it'll show you the different level indications. You'll have yellow when it's like a medium battery life, but the green, it's just a quick way to check and see that these batteries are full life. Now, this little piece is gonna be where you put the batteries into, and you just put them in. There's an arrow that shows you how to line them up, this arrow to that arrow, and then you just push them down and it'll lock in place. Now, after you lock it in place, it's literally as simple as just opening up this pouch on the inside, and you just plug in this connection point to the actual batteries. You tuck it in there. It's very light, and you don't actually notice those batteries are in there. But once you seal that up, this is now going to turn on. So this is illuminated red, and this heats up in just 1 second. I can already feel this heating up. So we're gonna have heating coils here, right here. We're gonna have them on the back of the neck, which is gonna be perfect for when you have this all the way up, because my neck gets so cold. Zip this all the way up, your neck's gonna be so warm. And then we also are gonna get them right on the back. So this thing is heating up really good. So all you have to do to change that is just hit that button, and you're gonna be on the medium setting. Hit it again, and then you'll be on low. If you want this completely off, all you gotta do is just hold that button in and it'll just shut it off. But I like how that is indicator, and it's a very sleek setup here, so you're really not gonna see that, and it's just gonna kind of be out of the way. We're also gonna get a pocket right here that you could put your phone in, and it's just a really handy lined pocket as well. And you're even gonna get a mesh pouch in the inside for some more storage. So the heating coils is gonna be like a carbon nano material, and it's really gonna help keep you very warm and heat up really, really fast. And it's also gonna give you a superior comfort. So you're not gonna be able to really feel that there is a heating element in here, and it's not gonna bother you. It can bend, it can move, it can flex, and it's just gonna allow you to be comfortable and still very warm at the same time. This heated vest is also gonna be machine washable, so you can wash this up to 40 times without having to worry about the quality of this going down whatsoever, making this very versatile and knowing it's going to stay good for a long time. This jacket is lightweight and breathable, and it's definitely gonna adapt in any season that you're in. I also love how the exterior is windproof, waterproof, and it's just breathable, lightweight, and comfortable to wear all day. So whether you're looking for the next fashion statement or to stay comfortable and warm during any season, this is definitely the heated vest that I recommend.